Hey guys, you're welcome back to my YouTube channel. Okay guys, so if you're new, you're highly welcome. So I use egg plus Vaseline, and I added other ingredients to it, and trust me guys, you want to know what it does to my skin? Watch this video. Like, it is so superb. It's one quick ingredient that you can actually use that would quickly react, so by removing all of those problems on your skin. Yeah, it's actually so sweet. So watch the video and don't forget to thumbs up, subscribe and share. Now let me take you right into the video. To have a more glowing and a youthful smooth skin, guys, you are going to be needing to use Blue Seal Vaseline, okay? But this is an optional ingredient. If you want, you can actually replace it with shea butter or cold pressed coconut oil. It has to be cold pressed coconut oil, okay? All right, so this is what you do is that you're going to be taking just a little quantity of this Vaseline. You shouldn't take too much, guys, because you don't need too much of that, too much of it on your skin, so that it won't have to clog your skin. Just a little would go a long way, so that it will leave that glow onto your skin, okay? And then also you're going to be needing to use rice powder, guys. Now rice powder helps so much to rejuvenate the skin. It helps to lighten up the skin. It helps to remove dark spots and blemishes, and it also makes your skin look really youthful, okay? And what we're going to do now is that we're going to be putting in about 1.5 tablespoons of rice powder. So how you're going to get your rice powder is that you're going to grab some rice in your kitchen, yeah, and then you put it in a very strong blender and blend it, okay? That's when you would be getting your rice powder, because it's obvious that you can't actually buy rice powder. After that is done, you're gonna be needing aloe vera. Okay, you can actually use natural aloe vera, okay, or you use this processed aloe vera. Now it has to be a pure aloe vera, 100% gel, okay, because aloe vera is very helpful for the skin. So using it alongside with all of this ingredients is going to be very helpful. So we're going to pump in about 2 tablespoons of aloe vera into this. And then mix it really well, okay? So this is how it is. It is looking really solid now, but do not worry, we're going to liquidify it. But before that, you have to make sure that it is mixed properly, okay? Right, so the next ingredient we're going to be needing is olive oil, okay? Now olive oil is perfect for the skin because it creates a glow, and it also helps to leave the skin looking young, fresh and very healthy, yeah? So what we're going to do is that we're going to be putting an oil here so that we'll have all of the full benefits of this ingredient. So we're going to mix this and mix it really well. And then we're going to be making use of egg. Okay, now egg is a great moisturizing agent for the skin. It helps to tighten up the skin, it helps to reduce large and open pores, and it helps to, you know, revive wrinkles and fine lines. So what we're going to do is that we're going to break in all of this egg, both the egg whites and the egg yolk. Okay, break in everything, and then we'll try to mix it and mix it really well. Okay, so I'm actually going to be using my manual mixer so that it's going to be easier for me to mix and quicker too. Okay, so I'm going to be mixing it and mixing it really good. Okay, using my manual mixer is going to mix this really better. Alright, so this is properly mixed and this is how it is. Okay, so now let's go apply this on the face and have our results. Okay, so guys, the interesting part of this is that I really love to use Vaseline and egg on my face. Now the reason is because Vaseline actually helps to moisturize my skin, and egg actually plump up my skin, and all of the ingredients makes my skin really youthful. Now before I apply it, I dab my face with water, which is what I did because I don't want to waste your precious time. Okay, and then after which, and then I would have to grab this ingredient and spread it onto my face generously. Yep, spread it onto my face. Now let me use a brush. Okay, so I'll spread it evenly onto my face. Now for this particular one, I usually do not actually can you imagine, I usually do not put it inside the refrigerator because of the Vaseline. It's gonna get thickened and it's not gonna give me what I really want, so I don't put it inside. I just keep it for some time, let it, you know, mix inside really well, and it will work well for me. Okay, so after that, then we can actually scrub like I used to scrub my face anytime I apply any ingredient. Now that is because the particles in this is going to help to actually make my face to actually, you know, remove the dead skin cells and even out my skin, and also smooth it. Yeah, so I really love the way it makes my skin feel. Okay, so after applying this, then you can hold on for like 3 minutes or 5, depending on how long you can stay, and then you go wash it. Let me wash it and come and show you how my face is. I'm super excited. Okay guys, so this is how my skin is. Yeah, and let me dab it. Let me remove some of the water, and look at my skin. Like, trust me, it looks really shiny, right? Really shiny. Now when you apply when you apply a good lotion, you are gonna pop. You are gonna be glowing like a mirror. Yeah. Okay guys, so that's it. Like, go try this out and let me know how it tastes. Like, trust me, you see how clear my skin is. Like, seriously, I am so loving this because it is superb. And when you actually refrigerate it, it's going to be cooling on your face as you know, apply it little by little. So that's it. If you do love the video, please don't forget to thumbs it up and subscribe to my YouTube channel and share the video. And I will see you soon guys. Bye and mwah.